we have the washing machine on this side of the wall. We have the air vent and the water line coming down on the outside of their building into a 1-inch poly drip line. That poly drip line runs around this new garden area from bed to bed into these flower pot emitters, and from there the water flood irrigates into each one of the planting zones. Okay, so you can see one of the outlets in our Graywater garden here is outletting water to the central basin, and then from there there's fingers of mulch that the water will run through, and the mulch will act as a filter system that will keep the water flowing to the plants individually, but also is something that is not going to clog like you would have with a typical filter or drip emitter. So that's something that could be replaced as it gets worn out or incurred too much debris.
Proper design and placement of plants in compatible and appropriate ways is very critical. If you need help with that, there's professionals to help you with that. There's also a lot of good resources such as the Western Garden Book and other horticultural books that are widely available. It's real important to place them well and to combine them together. So the concept of hydrozoning is critical. If you have a water source like Graywater that's going to put out throughout the year regular water at intervals of a few days, just check the water needs of the plants. Coming back here, we have Ribes sanguineum spring showers. At the foot of those are heucheras or coral bells, all compatible on the same system. That's very important. Going through a ground cover bed of wild strawberry, we come over to the pineapple guava. This is going to become a nice small upright shrub or small tree, evergreen, edible flowers and fruits. Back this way, we're looking at Penstemon Margarita Bop, compatible with other Penstemon varieties here. I think it's a garnet. And then the yarrow, which is called moonshine variety of Achillea or yarrow. Together with these plants in a group forms a very nice perennial section of a garden compatible with the others in this hydrozone for the Graywater system.